If you want to connect Sony WH-1000XM5 into your iPhone or iPad, then first of all, you will have to be sure that you switch off your headphones. And now you will have to click and hold this power key and take a look on this small indicator. First of all, it will start blinking, so it will announce you that it has actually turned it on. But after a few seconds of holding, it will actually start blinking like this. So 2 times quickly, then it disappears for a few moments. And now we are in pairing mode. So you will have to grab them, just put them back and grab your iPhone, go to settings, and you will start from this screen, so go to Bluetooth. Now be sure that you simply switch this off and on, and for other devices list, just wait until this Sony headphones appears. So now just tap on them once. Wait until we will be successfully connected. And now I can highly recommend you to go into into this App Store and search for this specific application, Sony Sound Connect. You will have to just install this application. Right here you can choose region, click to agree for this content, click start, click next. Okay, there's some kind of the issue, so let's go back. Let's do this one more time. I'm actually not sure why it's not actually getting us this privacy stuff, but let's go for United States, for example. Okay, if you have the same issue, I'll just simply try to turn off this application and open it one more time. Okay, that's like super strange. Basically, it's just working on my Android phone. Like I just have this application, take a look. There we go, and everything's fine. I can just simply accept everything. As you can see, I'm connected into these headphones. So please tell me in the comments if you have also the same issue. But basically what you have to do right now, let's say that everything works in your case, so you will have to click start and then accept everything that will pops on your screen, and then you will be like automatically connected because you connect these headphones by using standard Bluetooth settings. And that's basically it for this video. That's how we can actually connect them to the Bluetooth and to the application.